Pero sinasabi ko kasi, huwag ka nang magpapaka-plastic,
Uy,
right or
kasi
wrong.
hindi plastic.
Tell us, do you think what he's doing is correct or not?
I'm trying to talk to him kasi nga, this is not good kasi hindi naman pala humba.
Humba nga eh.
Humba, may nakalagay.
Humba.
Kaya nga, hindi pala humba. Let me talk to him.
No, there's right and there's wrong. And I'm encouraging everyone. Take a stand.
Shouting like
No,
that.
I'm not intimidating
I
you.
can make a stance without shouting.
Well, okay, take a
Don't
stand
intimidate
then.
me.
Ako kasi yung sinira. Ako kasi
Tama
yung
na!
sinira.
Tama
Why, you
na!
think I care if you're intimidated by me?
Yeah, exactly.
Hey,
that's why I'm
attorney!
shouting.
I'm
Alvin,
just
tama
telling
na!
you.
It's his birthday, so please stop.
But I was the one blasphemed.
I know, but
Don't
please
tell me
stop.
to stop.
Please.
I was the one blasphemed.
Please,
I was the one.
please,
Mag-please ka na mag-please. Ako ang binastos.
stop.
Mami, magkano yung humpa na yan? I'll pay 10 times that
No,
amount.
you're my son. Birthday kasi na isa. As long as you want.
Lahat naman kumakain sa food.
Grabe! You have to condemn what is wrong. Yun ang sinasabi ko. No, there are things that are right, there are things that are wrong. Take a stand.
Wala naman